बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज का मेरा वीडियो बिल्कुल अलग है, तो चलिए दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं।
Today we are going to learn how to grow chane ki bhaji or chane ka saag in water. This process to grow chane ki bhaji in water is known as hydroponic method. I am not going to make use of soil in this process. Firstly, we need to take some chana. Sprouting makes the process easier. I have taken a container which have some drainage holes at the bottom. Now we will let this chana soak in water for overnight. As I told you, we are going to sprout them. This result is after 1 day. You can see chana have been sprouted perfectly. Now I am taking a plastic container which have some holes at the bottom. I am taking a plastic basket for this purpose. Beneath that basket, we need to put a container filled with water. Placing these chanas over the basket, make sure you change the water after every 2 days. Now, let these chanas cover by a wet cloth to make the process simpler. After 5 days, you can see green leaves have been grown of our chanas. Look at the roots, how long these roots are. This result is after 8 days. Look at the density of these roots. You can also grow this chane ki bhaji in water. Comment down below and let me know, are you going to try this method or not. Make sure you change the water after every 2 days. This result is after 12 days. Length of our chane ki bhaji have been increased continuously. You can see the condition of the roots. Change the water after every 2 days. This method is a hydroponic method. This result is after 22 days. You can see how dense these roots are. Also, these roots are so long that they are dipping in the water perfectly. Look at these homegrown, fresh and organic chana leaves. Friends, I would like to say one thing. I have also grown this chane ki bhaji in a pot filled with soil. I will also show that pot to you. This hydroponic method is very simpler. Now you can see another pot. I have filled the pot with some soil. The only difference between chane ki bhaji grown in water and those chane ki bhaji which are grown in soil is that those which are grown in soil are much more denser and their stem are much more thickened as they are grown in soil. Those which are grown in water are less denser and have thin stem as compared to those which are grown in soil. You can see. Make sure to change the water after every 2 days. These are fresh and organic and endless supply of chana bhaji. You can also have this supply of chana bhaji at home. We have grown this fresh and organic chana leaves with the help of the sprouted chanas. Look at the density of these roots. Just remember one thing, we need to change the water after every 2 days. By this method, you can have an endless supply of chane ki bhaji at home. Many of you have been asking me, how can we make use of this chane ki bhaji? I have uploaded a video how to make chane ka saag at home from this fresh and organic chane ki bhaji which we have grown in water. I will give the link of that video in the description box below. Make sure you check the description box. By this method, you can also grow this chane ki bhaji at home only in water. This process is very easy and very simple. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more such and interesting videos.